Navigation tutorial for NUC University online courses. Access your course through the cards that appear after accessing the Canvas platform. Click on the course title to enter. Notice there are different ways to navigate your course. In this video, we will go over the options the course homepage presents so you can close the second menu located on the left. The course homepage presents all the navigation options. Here you will find links to the course tools and modules. Let's start by exploring the course tools. Notice there are various icons underneath the banner. In the announcement section, you will see the professor's communications about recent news related to the course. The textbook icon is a link that takes you to the website where you can access or buy the course's textbook. If the book is in the virtual library, you will need to enter your credentials to access it. The outline icon takes you to the main components of the syllabus, such as the course description, expected learning outcomes, topics, evaluation criteria, and activities. The Conferences icon will take you to the Live Sessions page where you can see the day and time of the scheduled online meeting with your professor. You may also access the recordings of these sessions. In the Grades section, you can see your grades and academic progress, as well as the professor's comments on your assignments. Access the People section to see the list of people in your course and access their profile. The Information section will provide with you interesting facts about our institution, such as information about technical support, tutorials on other aspects of the course, and much more. To access the modules, click on the link below the icons or on the module title you wish to see. When accessing the course modules, you will find the learning resources and activities for each week. Each activity has technical instructions on how to participate or submit your work to Canvas. For more information, access the Canvas institutional guides or contact your academic advisor.